Peace and greetings, open minds. J-Rule sends out tons of vibrations of positive energy throughout the universe. To the hard-headed children on Mother Gaia, me too, Mother Goddess, Father God. To the ancestors of my ancestors, so forth, so on. Until now, here I am. Archangels, spiritual guides, guardian angels, light bearers, light warriors, star seeds, indigo children, rainbow children, empath. To my galactical family, of course. Arcturians and Andromedons, Pleiadians, Atlanteans, Syrians, Lyrians. Throughout the doggone tribe into the Lionsgate, J-Rule sends up positive energy. Plus signs, we call it love signs. We call it love times down here. Star seeds, I say to you all. You have heard the old saying about pushing someone's button. Of course you have. It's a common saying that goes back maybe from the beginning of time, and America just learned it from another culture that spoke these words about pushing your buttons. Well, in all reality, there is a whole lot of truth in the things and in the words as they have been spoken. For someone to push your button, this simply means that they know how to take you off your course, take you off of your focus, take you out of your world, frustrate you, aggravate you, anything that will take you from yourself into whatever it is they want you to get angry about. So they call this pushing your button. Okay, Starseed, let me give you an example of the here and now, and the technology has advanced so that you may understand that the same old tricks go on all the time. It's just a different version. Ain't nothing new truly under the sun. Not yet, except me. You know how you get so attached to people pushing buttons and giving you likes. People patting you on your back for the things that you do, for the things that you put out. You become so caught up into these likes until if you don't get as many likes or as many hearts or as much attention as you want, you begin to feel some type of way. You forget about yourself. You forget about the reason why you do these things, and you do these things to please yourself first. However, you get attached to these likes, and you see the people who control the technology here and now, they know you get addicted to these things. If you get a lot of likes, you feel good inside. If you get less likes, you start feeling bad. See, that's where they got you at. You shouldn't feel good, bad because you don't get enough likes. You should be feeling good regardless, as long as you get somebody to hear you out, somebody to appreciate you, someone else to give you their attention. Whether it's one person or whether it's yourself. But you get so caught up into the outside, and this is where they grab you, my starseeds. And you pushing this new technology, this like button. They know they have control of the masses of people on the media, on these pages, on this internet, that get gratitude from outside of themselves instead of within themselves. Therefore, you charge them a price You charge them a price for making them feel the way they should feel, regardless of the likes. See, you know how to push that button. That dopamine, you know that dopamine, that's why they call it pushing the button. They just push that little dopamine button and inside of your head, and they know you already react the way you react to all these likes on these different media platforms, and you already got to a certain extent to where if you don't get the way you want every time you put something out there, you become upset. See, you addicted, and anything that make you addicted, whether it be drugs, whether it be technology, whether it be food, that's when they got you, because they're gonna give you the things that you are addicted to. See, and that's the way they push that dopamine button every time in your mind, and you don't know they're pumping you up with that juice. You see, 'cause you ain't looking inside of yourself. If you were looking inside of yourself, you no way in the world he could pump you up, because you can pump up and you are always pumped up, but they be pushing your buttons. And they push your buttons by pushing that there. They know the things you like. They push your button like that there with that scam likely, especially right here and now if you are elevated. They know you be on the phone talking to someone, and they know it could be very important. But then again, it could be very detrimental. It's according to how you look at it. And they know that's gonna get a certain reaction. That dopamine, that dope for your mind, dopamine, I call them dope for your mind. That technology, that mind addiction that they have over you, knowing how to push your buttons. I say to you, there is but one, the soul controller. The soul controller resides within you. If you're looking outside for somebody else to control your soul, then them somebody else or whoever else going to charge you a certain price. That's called respect. God help those who help themselves. Always remember that. They push buttons in many different ways, in many different times. As you allow them to push it, they will continue to push it. J-Rule sends alternative vibrations of positive energy throughout this universe. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.